one of the weakest currencies was the pound, and the euro was strong. So guess what? When we put the chart for the euro pound, you can see now when it comes up, look at this. Look at the explosive move that we had in the euro pound. And that is, again, this is when you're looking at the way we trade, by identifying strength and weakness and identifying the structure points and putting those little pieces of the puzzle together. You can literally visualize the chart, and you can literally, with some experience and some practice, you can always know what you expect to see on the chart, and therefore you can trade as per your expectation. We have seen the euro, how it's moving. We have seen that the pound is weak. We know that the structure point is 86 in the euro pound. So yesterday on Friday, you see the pound weakening, and you see the euro strengthening, and now it sits at the 86. And that was yesterday in the room, guys. You would have taken it again. It's a no-brainer trade at a trade above 86. You close the day at 86.43, which is about 40-50 pips in that case. And as you know, that the 40-50 pips on the euro pound is equivalent to about 80 pips on like the pound dollar or the pound yen or the dollar yen, because it is a heavy currency. It weighs more than the other pairs. It's 1.6 the average size of another pair, and therefore it is quite an impressive move. So with that, the move would be, if I'm looking at the euro and the pound, I'll be looking to be a buyer of the euro. I'm expecting it to continue higher, and the close that we have here of 86.47 is a pretty decent close. It is a close that would encourage us or imply continuity. And the next structural point, not sure, is it 86? I will leave it at around 86.60. So let's look at the intraday chart and identify an entry point. I want to see what the 86.36 is. Okay, that's nice. Okay. So this makes our trade quite easy also. Now I have that powerful trend to the upside. I'm looking for everything to continue to go higher. I do have what we call a turtle soup trade at the 86.36. So we are going to use that as a selling point, because that would represent long liquidation. So my short is going to be below the 86.30. So any trade comes down to here, guys, you don't take it short. You look at this move here as a buying opportunity, not as a selling opportunity. You don't want to sell it unless it gets below the 86.32. We are going to buy it above 86. The structural point here to the upside is the 86.61. We closed the week at 86 ballpark 50. So I will take it above 86.61, which is going to be my long point and my structural point. So my buying point is going to be the 86.61. My structural long is the 86.61, and my short point is going to be 86.30. And if I go short below 86.30, I'm going to place my stop right above the 86.36. I'm just going to give it above the structure point over here. And if I go long above 86.60, I still have to use this, the 86.36 as a stop. And short point, the structure long. Now the structure long has changed. It's not 86.61 anymore, but it is actually, yeah, because we closed at 86.40. All right. So with that, we're going to buy my buy point and the structure long as one and the same, and it is also I'm not gonna use, I can use it as a, I'll use it is the stop, so that's the rule. So my buying point and my long point are the same, and my structure point, I'm sorry, my long point and the structure point and my long stop are one and the same. I'm only going to go short below 86.30, and my structure short is the 85.30, and I'm going to place my stop above the 86.36. Okay, that is the